Hello students, in this video we will be learning more about MS Access. In the last video we have completed the chapter of MS Access in which we have learned how to create a table by using different methods. Before starting the chapter, let us have a review of MS Access. MS Access is an application software of MS Office package which give facility to create and maintain the relational database. Relational database refers to the database in which data is organized in the form of a table. MS Access is a RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System provided by the Microsoft. MS Access provides a relational database with a GUI interface to store and maintain the data. Objects of a database are table, query, form, and report. Table, it is a collection of rows and columns. There are many ways to create a table in MS Access. First is creating the table by using datasheet view, and second is creating the table by using design view. You can create the table in a customized format by using design view, in which you can set your own primary key. Primary key is that column which contains a unique value through which you can identify a record. Now, in this chapter, we will be learning about query and form. Query, the meaning of query is questionnaire, means the data which you want to retrieve from the database that can be retrieved on the basis of a query. You can create a query in MS Access using query design and using query wizard. Form is an interactive interface between user and the database. Forms are used to collect the information from the user which gets saved in the table in the specific format. Now we will go into the details of the query, how we can create the query on multiple tables, and how can we set the criteria to retrieve the records from the table. Thank you.